Pranam. A warm welcome to all of you for the most awaited event, the inauguration of Sub-Chapter of Friends of Tribal Society, Bangalore. ECAL, a renowned name which aims to promote education among rural and tribal children. The organization has imparted education and awareness to more than 2.8 million rural and tribal children and still growing. The organization on reaching the figure of 1 lakh schools make us feel so proud, and also the organization has been awarded with the Gandhi Peace Prize due to its commitment towards social service. Now we all know that seeing is believing. So let's have a glance at ECAL activities more closely by watching this video.
We also continue to practice making of handicrafts. These children are now more familiar with their culture. In the last 30 years, nearly 4 million children have developed their lives by getting the needed help from the support education provided by ECAL. ECAL are behind the only made children literate through its one-teacher schools, providing support education, but also implemented a variety of schemes for farmers, women and youth, and through their local resource centers across India to empower rural India.
Welcome you all to this inauguration ceremony of the Bangalore Sub-Chapter of ECAL Foundation. I am Gokul, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Professor Samavi College, and I have been given the responsibility to introduce the MCs for today's event. So first of all, let me introduce Mrs. Shanti Satish.
And thanks for taking a valuable time on this special Sunday to come and grace this special occasion of the inauguration. Thank you so much. All great occasions have to be with the blessing of God. Nothing starts without His blessings, right? So we have Ms. Annapurna, who is going to be here to start the invocation. Call upon the dais Dr. Anil Kumar to invite the guests for inauguration by lighting the lamp. Dr. Anil Kumar is an acclaimed academician, an able administrator, social worker and trailblazer for innovative ideas. His forte is commerce and management. He has 4 decades of teaching and research experience. Dr. Anil Kumar is a visionary leader and principal of SSM College since 2014. He has taken this college to greater heights by getting an A grade in NAC, and it's been ranked as among the top 5 colleges in India in 2018 and 19.
The chief guest, Bajranglal Bhagraji, the President CEC ECAL Abhiyan, Shri Shyam Sundar Dhamani ji, Trustee ECAL Abhiyan, Chairman ECAL South Zone, Shri Ramesh Agarwal ji, Vice Chairman ECAL South Zone President FTC Bangalore Chapter, and Colonel R. Ashoka, President FTS, and Secretary of the subchapter, Kavita Shekhar, to light the lamp and inaugurate the Bangalore subchapter today.
If you light a lamp for someone, it will also brighten your path. So keeping this in mind, it's my immense pleasure to call upon Mr. Colonel Ashoka to say a few words. Colonel R. Ashoka is a 72 years young person with very strong personality and high level energy and enthusiasm. He treats everyone as equal and provides opportunities and motivation for anyone deserving. He is lifetime student and a keen learner, willing to learn from everyone and respect dignity of labor. He believes in hard work, truth, sincerity, discipline, give respect, and then only takes respect. He served as registrar and director at Army Educational Institutions from 2001 to 2020. He is currently involved with 4 NGOs. He has widely traveled in India and abroad, worked in Embassy, Japan, Germany and US. I welcome you, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಈ ದಿನ ಸುದಿನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಬಟ್ then later I switch over to English. It is a red letter day for Ekal FTS and also the complete, Ekal itself, probably the first subchapter in the country. I do not know what to say with such elite audience and also the elite people on the dais on this day. As a formality, I would like to invite for this function our President Bagraji, whom I knew a bit, probably about 25 to 30 years ago. Now, when he was in Delhi and when I was at Bangalore. Thank you very much, sir, for gracing this occasion and also to be in the midst of such, a like group of, ours. I would welcome all of you to this, function. And in this, group, we have around about 25 people who have, joined this subchapter. I welcome all of you. And all the other invitees, I would love to have you in the midst of us. Kindly be with us forever. Thank you. Then we also, I would like to mention at this stage, we have Dr. Anil Kumar, a live wire, who and also he is the principal of our college. Thank you very much, Professor, for this, and I'm grateful to you. Then we have Mrs. Kavita Shekhar, and she is an entrepreneur, and also she has got a bank of her own, and incidentally she is into the jewelry design and also sells a lot of golden jewelry. Okay, so all the husbands, please note, you should be very cautious. Okay, so thank you very much, madam. Then I do not know what to say about the flora of the heads of various other units of FT of vehicle. That is from Srihari, we have got from Arogya Foundation, Mrs. Sarita Bansali. Then we have got the women's wing leaders are here. So many of them are here. So and also our FTS president and Mr. Sachin ji, I welcome all of you for this small function.
Dr. Abdul Kalam said, "Let us sacrifice our one day to make a better future for our children." But we have such great personalities here who has not only sacrificed a single day, but they have been spending a lot of their days and making this a very beautiful platform to provide education to the brighter future of our country. It's my honor and delight to introduce Sri Sean S. Damani ji from Chennai, who is all just 74 years of age, young at heart, and a great inspiration to each and every one of us. Sri Damani ji is a well-established entrepreneur with business in ferroalloys, steel, imports and exports. He is a graduation in commerce. Currently, he is serving as chairman of FTS South Zone. He is associated with FTS since 2002. That's been a long time. Thank you for your guidance, sir. He is also a trustee of Ekal Abhiyan Trust, member of governing board FTS, NEC, FTS and Gram Sangathan Karyalaya GSK. Prabhat Kabari, South Dakshin, Kendriya Prathinidhi for Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Vanprasthi Karyakarta, Trustee, Ekal Gramothan Foundation EGF. He is also in charge of Gramothan Resource Center, GRC for Kumbakonam. Sri Damaniji is proud of his Ekal Vishal Parivar, and so are we, sir. Very proud of you and happy to be over here and grace us this occasion. May I request you to please come over and share your knowledge and words, sir.
आप सबको एकल प्रणाम. Ekal is a movement to reach out to the people who are at the bottom of the pyramid and not privileged to have access of quality education. Health education, developmental education. Ekal's aim is to provide the equal opportunity in all the fields of a villager's life or the people who are in the remote villages of Bharat. Swami Vivekananda's vision, if a child cannot go to the education must come to the Ekal. But keeping in that, this is the main starting point of Ekal Vidyalayas, that we should not accept the children will come to the schools and colleges because they don't have that much of facility and all. So we almost city people must go to the village. And apart from giving the education, they started in 1980. Several other ayams means several other work have been added to the Ekal family. This is not the movement which we are imposing on anybody or in the villagers. It comes from the ground. भारत माता की जो धरती माता है, उसके पुत्र हम सब हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहले किसान उसका पुत्र. It comes from their heart. Any Vidyalaya, any work which is being done, here only work is done for all the villages only, not for the city living people. So, whatever work Ekal undertakes, it comes from their bottom of their heart. What is the requirement of the villages? हमारे लिए नहीं करना है, हमको हमारे गांव के लिए करना है. तो with all आप लोग यहाँ पधारे हैं and with all your resources. One resource is communication, awareness. Second is whatever best we can do, adopting the child or adopting the village. And third, most important, before that, आप एक बार विद्यालय दर्शन कीजिए, गांव का दर्शन. We don't call it वन यात्रा. रामा went to one. Then he could conquer the Ravan. आप वन में जाएंगे तो उनकी जो समस्याएं हैं, what are the difficulties or what are the problems, we will conquer them. This is the movement. Thank you very much. आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई. हमारा परिवार आज पूरा एकल परिवार में और इतने मेंबर जुड़े हैं. And next time when our meeting will be there, much more people will be there. Thank you. About Ekal you all know. I will not take the time. My only request, next time within 2 months time हम लोग एक गांव का दर्शन करेंगे. चाहे आप मैसूर जा रहे हैं, कहीं घूमने जा रहे हैं, एक चीज और है, भारतवर्ष में कहीं भी आप जाइए, आज के आपका एकल परिवार का मेंबर उस गांव में अवेलेबल है, सिटी में अवेलेबल है। आप शिमला घूमने जाओ तो भी हमारे को इन्फॉर्म कीजिए, वो आपका पूरा विद्यालय दर्शन कीजिए। हम लोग सिटी में हैं, आप वहां जाएंगे, आप उत्तराखंड बद्री केदार, यू मे बी गोइंग फॉर एनी हिल स्टेशन, बिकॉज पहाड़ों में और ट्राइबल विलेजेज वहां अपना काम है। उड़ीसा में जाइए, आप उनकी लोकल चीजें देखिए, क्या उनका टैलेंट है, मच मोर देन अस। हमको उनको सपोर्ट करके उनके टैलेंट को ऊपर लाना है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, and flight to our imagination. I would like to invite beautiful girls from RV Girls High School to come and present the musical order. Now it's my privilege and pleasure to introduce Shri Bajranglalji Barna, National President, CEC Ekal Abhiyan. I want a big round of applause for him. Barnaji has strong academics with Masters in Commerce in the year 1976, Chartered Accountancy in the year 1978. He was awarded National Merit Scholarship for 1970 to 1974. Barnaji has been an expert in corporate finance and strategic management with a varied experience of 36 years across industries in India for 26 years and in Southern Africa for 10 years. He has handled key corporate positions as well as significant involvement in social projects. I am proud to have you here today and request you to kindly join us on the dais, please.
Jai Shri Ram. I just heard some murmur, not the response. Jai Shri Ram. Yeah, thank you. You may find it a bit different from the other salutations of Ekal Pranam. Ekal is just an offshoot of blessings of Lord Rama. That's why first we salute and bow before Lord Rama, and then of course there are many offshoots. One of them is Ekal. I am just the youngest ever crowd. Youngest by heart on that side, youngest by age this side. So, this is the new face of Ekal Yuva. Some by heart and others by age. And that is what is Ekal all about. You just saw that small video on various Ekal activities, and Damaniji exhorted you to visit the village to understand Ekal. No video, no film, no talk, no literature or flyer can capture the essence of Ekal activities unless you go and witness the activities yourself in the village on the ground. So I will reiterate what Damariji has requested you to kindly spare a day. It will not be a few hours affair because they are remotely located. So it will be a day long affair, but it will be more than rewarding, I can assure you.
Our team of FTS and Ekal Abhiyan. It's a clarification, it's not exactly a question. How, as we being nurses and we being the teachers also into the education sector, how can we contribute to FTS?
Can do immense help. Immense. You see, we have selected only a few streams of skills, not all skill sets. Basically to empower the girls of the villages because that is easy to pick up and that is a ready market in every village.
Just we are teaching them to see the blouse, petticoats, kurta, pajama, banyan, etc. Because the village has got this demand, and computer, because that is the happening thing. Because we are giving them digital education and also what we call MS Office kind of thing, so that as a key punch operator, data entry operator, they may earn some decent livelihood to stay within their district. They don't have to perforce migrate to the slums of cities. That's it. We have added a few more skills as part of the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana over last 2 years. Electrician, beautician, retail management, etc. But that's not enough. What you are doing, the nursing, etc. It is a college. It is not as a 3 months kind of thing, etc. that you can turn into somebody into a nurse or a midwife. But basic things can still be provided. Basic thing. I remember in our villages, there used to be the midwives. No village had access to gynecologist. But there were very safe deliveries, no cesareans, and the child, the birth and the delivery time were also not that rampant. So how it was happening? Just by seeing the practical experience, practical training, and generation after generation the skill was being transferred. So and in the villages we all know that the qualified medical doctors still don't want to go there. Particularly in the remote villages, they don't have access to the expert medical advice. As a part of our one Arogya project of telemedicine, we are trying to bring the benefit of the expert medical advice using the technology, but that is again limited to telemedicine. Cannot help in the surgeries and cannot happen at the deliveries, etc. So some course which can be designed for 3 months or maybe 4 months, etc. to give the basic skills out of your experience, etc. It will not give them any diploma or certificate. You know it. It's not possible. But at least the knowledge is available to them, and they can use that knowledge in the villages. So that will be helpful if you can make some capsule kind of course for a few months, etc. But without diploma certificate, because no institution is ready to give affiliation to such a small duration courses. But it will be very helpful, I can tell you.
I have spoken to your principal, and also, maybe, to some of your colleagues, including Mr. Chetan, who is the Joint Secretary for us. Now there's certain areas, what I think, in the areas of health is that lot of, trainings are going on for the village teachers whom we call sevikas. Okay? And then now for them, you can, guide, because your college also has, something like a NSS wing. Through NSS wing, a group of about, 10 or 15 nursing students, they can be in the final year or they can be in the pre-final year, they can, go there, be there for about 3 days, conduct it and demonstrate it.
An informative and interactive session of question answers. Now it's my privilege to have Mr. Ramesh Ji Agarwala, President FTS Bangalore. He says, don't wait until you reach your goal to be proud of yourself. Be proud of each step you take towards reaching that goal. Thank you so much. Please, Ramesh Ji.
आप सभी को एकल प्रणाम. Our elite guest, they have highlighted you about the global structure and national structure. I would like to talk something about the state structure, so that you have first, I would like to thank Colonel Ashok, who is associated with us for last 6 years, and we had a great support all these years from Colonel Ashok, and only because of him we are here today to inaugurate a subchapter. And we are giving it a name of subchapter, but you are full-fledged a part of main chapter. So don't think that you are a branch of chapter, you are a part of us. We have, I will just brief little about what is in Bangalore and what is in the village. In Bangalore, we have called main chapter and we have a Mahila chapter. And both jointly together, we are managing supporting more than 1500 schools in Karnataka. I could see that president of Mahila chapter has left, but the founder president of Mahila chapter, Savita Agrawal, is sitting here. And his husband, Mr. Naresh Agrawal, is here, who has very intensely supported me when I took over in the year 2014 as a president of Bangalore chapter. I got a full support from him, and that is how I have continued to work. And of course, the new people also keep joining, and today we have grown to a big tree in Bangalore chapter also. So the purpose of this is that the villagers should get basic education on computers, and they should not run to the cities. And I would like Colonel to pay attention, and from your members, let them take the responsibility of monitoring the vehicle on wheel. That will be really helpful, because again some communication issues comes where we are handicapped. So it is a great help that to get your support.
Kavita Shekhar is a successful entrepreneur in jewelry business for over 20 years now. She owns the exclusive boutique G Store, specialized in wedding outfits and exotic jewelry designing. She is the director and owner of Unified Shauharda Cooperative Bank. It's a small bank which helps mainly the SMEs. She has won Pan-India Insurance Award from MetLife at Paris for her outstanding contribution and service in insurance sector. She has also taken part in TV shows and has won Women Entrepreneur Award. Her hobbies are to make best use of unused items around her and taking various courses to enhance her knowledge. May I invite you on stage, ma'am.
Thank you. Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita has 5 major principles. The Supreme Lord, Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, has given us this birth for a reason. Jiva, the living entity in us, allows us to breathe and live life. Prakriti, nature, enables us to build a better life. Kala, eternal time of life and death. Lastly, karma and activities we do in our life reflects our afterlife and present commitment. We can only hope to do good today in order to do justice to the Lord. Jiva and Prakriti, in this short period of our Kala, Ekal has provided this amazing platform for us to perform karma. Create and do activities that allow us to rest in peace even while we are alive. It's an honor to offer a vote of thanks on the inauguration of a new Ekal FTS sub-chapter. On behalf of entire team, I express hearty gratitude and thanks to each and everyone present here. Special thanks to Mr. Bagraji, Mr. Dhamanji, Mr. Rameshji, Mr. Vaibhavji, and all patrons, office bearers of various units of Ekal. FTS sub-chapter, allied office bearers, founding members and members, invitees and future members, complete team of SSM RV College, Nursing College and High School, Girls High School. Lastly but not the last, well-known professionals, doctors, entrepreneurs, advocates, educationalists, all my colleagues, Mr. Sachinji and Dr. Anil Kumar. Lastly, I request all you to join for a lunch with us. Kindly take care and wishing you all and your family good health and happiness. It has been a pleasure and honor to host all the members and audience here.